Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a photo collage on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up your shortcut application. So go ahead and simply open it up. And then inside here, you need to go ahead and tap on Gallery. Search for Photo Grid right in the search bar. Once you found the photo grid, go ahead and tap on the plus icon. And once it has been added to your shortcut, tap on cancel, go back to shortcut, and then here you will then be able to find photo grid. Now go ahead and tap onto it, and just like that, from your photo gallery, you need to go ahead and simply select your images. So once it is done, tap on add, and just like that, your collage will appear. You can go ahead and tap on the search icon from here. Scroll below, then tap on save image. This will add this collage to your photo library. Once you check your photo app, your brand new collage will be saved and ready to use. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.